Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to get a free VPN on the Vivaldi browser without any software. First, open the Vivaldi browser. Then, open Settings. Choose Extensions. You can press a shortcut for the extensions, Ctrl, Shift, and E buttons. Then click on the Get More Extensions option and open the web store. Search for a VPN extension and add it to the Vivaldi browser. After it is downloaded, pin it and turn it on. Choose a country. Go to What is my IP address website and check if the IP is the same as VPN IP.